and audits. Creating a policy for application audits is similar to creating other types of Nessus audit policies. Let's create an application audit scan policy to check recommended security settings for Internet Explorer version 10 as defined by the CIS benchmarks. Create a new policy using the compliance auditing template. After you've provided a name and description, navigate to the Credentials section. Because the application runs under Windows, you must add administrative Windows credentials. Then, navigate to the Compliance section. Choose the appropriate audit and add it to the policy. Save your policy and launch the scan against a Windows host that has Internet Explorer 10 installed. To audit an Apache web server's security settings and configuration with recommendations from the United States Department of Defense, create another policy using the compliance auditing template. Because the application runs under Unix, you must add SSH credentials. Then, navigate to the Compliance section. Choose the appropriate audit and add it to the policy. Save your policy and launch the scan against a Unix host that has the Apache web server installed. When creating application-specific checks, administrative credentials are required for the host operating system. When creating an audit scan policy that checks for possible malicious software, the steps are similar. Administrative level credentials for the operating system are required. Not all audits are available in the Nessus user interface. You may need to download audits for specific types of malicious software from the Tenable support portal. The only change is in the specific audit checks required. You can then upload them as custom audit files for the appropriate platform. To create an audit policy for sensitive content, create a new policy using the Policy Compliance template. Navigate to the Credentials section and add administrative level credentials. Navigate to the Compliance section and locate the file content checks for the intended operating system. Add the desired content audits and adjust settings as needed. Save your policy and launch a scan to search for sensitive content.